Hello, welcome to, the train station. Today we're going to pick up a new car, hopefully. So I'm going to take you on this little journey across Sweden to a place which I've forgotten the name of. And then we'll see what happens, really. So tune in and put your seatbelt on or something like that. And let's go on a train trip across Sweden. The new channel car. This is the next project car for Pongs garage, and I'm not totally sure yet what we're going to do with it, but it's going to get fog lights and it's going to get some polishing and some cleaning and a lot more, and there'll be loads of videos about it, and I hope that you're excited for it. About the car, it's a Felicia 1.6 litre, and well, it goes like a rocket really. It's really fun, and I like it. I didn't get any other car because I like this. It's as simple as that. I like this. Anyway, it's a good solid car. It runs great, there's no strange noises or anything, it just runs and drives brilliantly. There is a bit of weight reduction on it, sadly, but maybe we'll address that in the future. And of course, you can see that the lacquer has sort of left the car. For some reason, it just didn't want to be up there. Here's a bit, and here's a bit, but there's nothing in it. So we might address that. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this small trip on finding a new channel car. And there will be another video coming up next week or something like that, where I show more of the car, maybe drive it a bit and show you more what it's like. And we'll see you then. But until then, have a nice day, and again, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and all those things, and they apparently help. Goodbye.